Hello friends, we are discuss how to install Dreamweaver CS 5.5. We download Adobe Dreamweaver CS 5.5 setup from internet. We click on Adobe Dreamweaver CS 5.5. There is Adobe Dreamweaver. There is Adobe Dreamweaver setup.exe. We click on it. Here installation process is working. Please read software license agreement carefully and click on accept. Here it is asking serial number, so we click on install this product as trial. Select your language. Please click on next. Then click on install. Here installation process is working. Wait for some time. Here 68% installation is completed. Here Adobe Dreamweaver CS 5.5 is installed completely. Then click on done. Then go to start menu. Then click all programs and select Adobe Dreamweaver CS 5.5. Here it asking serial number. We don't have serial number, so we click on continue trial. We skip this step. Here Dreamweaver is properly installed. Thank you.